Software isn't a craft anymore. It's a manufacturing problem. At Amika, we're building the open source operating system for coding agents to automate their work, just like how the factory automated manufacturing. Each coding agent gets their own cloud computer where they can build and run automated or human-in-the-loop workflows to write code and then prove that that code is actually correct. Let me show you a couple examples of how this works.
In a shared Slack channel, a customer just asked us if we can support opening up Amika's sandboxes inside the cursor editor. So I can go and just tag Amika right in Slack and tell it to make a linear issue for this and start implementing it. Amika works with any agent like Claude Code and Codex and with your existing subscriptions, so you don't pay extra for AI agents. Here, I'm going to select Claude and let it get to work. Because the agent is running a full tech stack, it can interact with all of the services in our app. And it can record artifacts, which prove the work that it did. So it can record a video of it working on the front end. If I don't like the changes, I can continue the work in Slack, or I can chat on the web, or I can even SSH directly into the sandbox and interact directly with the coding agents in there. When the agent's done with its work, I can copy-paste a URL to the real running app and I can share that back with the customer. Let's look at another workflow where Amika monitors production logs and finds errors and fixes them automatically in the background. Here, we set up a workflow that receives webhook events from Sentry, and then it automatically investigates the error and produces a fix and pushes a GitHub PR.
Workflows are kind of like normal programs, except each one runs inside a cloud VM that's preloaded with the right code repos, agents, MCP servers, and agent skills. And every code change that a workflow or agent makes runs against your guardrails. Guardrails are rules that deterministically enforce what the agent does, such as don't modify this slot-free part of the code base, or when adding this new feature, make sure not to delete or modify any of the existing tests. At Amika, we want to help you set up your software factory so that you can start to automate shipping good code. Come check us out at amika.dev.